YABUL Cook is safe and portable, offering a new lifestyle for outdoors. Enjoy the innovative and convenient YABUL Cook anytime, anywhere. You can heat your food anywhere as long as you have YABUL Cook heating packs and water. YABUL Cook helps everyone to cook a tasty meal conveniently without the hassle of using fire. YABUL Cook uses a special heating pack that can easily help anyone to cook without the hassle of needing fire on campgrounds, and also eliminates any danger caused by open fire during cooking. Just add water to the heating pack and your food will be cooked close to boiling point in minutes, so you can enjoy your warm foods at any outdoor events. Pressure cap on the lid. Adjust the pressure inside to maintain the hot steam and temperature within YABUL Cook. The lid is designed with a self-double locking system. As the pressure inside of YABUL Cook increases, the lid closes tighter to keep the temperature hot and also to keep it safe. It is made from BPA-free silicone, which works great at high temperatures and also safe for your food. It's also designed to be compact and light. Roll it up for easy storing and carrying. YABUL Cook is a flameless cooker that makes you enjoy warm food at any circumstances, like camping, fishing, traveling, or even during any natural disasters like earthquakes or storms. Add a heating pack and wrap food into YABUL Cook and pour water over heating packs and securely close lid. Make sure all closures are closed well. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Open the lid carefully. Bon appetit! Built for safety and convenience, to enjoy every meal outdoors, YABUL Cook is a must-have item for anyone to enjoy outdoor life and also to prepare for any unwanted natural disasters. Anytime, anywhere, with YABUL.